The impact of U.S. tariffs is reshaping Canadian manufacturing. With many consumers choosing to support local products, businesses like Owleet Fine Linens are rethinking their supply chains. Joanna Goodman, the owner, is shifting focus to Canadian-made goods, highlighting a growing wave of patriotism. This trend, known as reshoring, is gaining traction as companies realize the risks of relying on American suppliers. The pandemic exposed vulnerabilities in global trade, prompting leaders like Sandra Pupatello to advocate for a more resilient supply chain. While some progress is evident, experts warn that significant hurdles remain. The auto industry, for instance, relies on complex cross-border supply chains that can't be untangled overnight. Yet, the potential for growth in sectors like renewable energy and local food processing is immense. As businesses navigate these changes, the future of manufacturing in Canada hangs in the balance, driven by a desire for independence and innovation.